In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A21s, and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. Here you should pick Software Info, and now click 7 times on build number right here. And as you can see, developer mode has been turned on, so now just go back and right under About Phone you've got developer options. Smoothly open them and here it is. So as you can see, you've just activated developer mode. You can smoothly use it, so just pick the feature that you would like to use, and for example, if you would like to show some notifications as bubbles, just click here and it will be active. Then you can turn it off the same way. If you would like to force allow apps on external, just tap here and now it will be on. Then if you'd like to switch it off, click here again. And that's it. If you would like to deactivate developer mode, just tap here, and as you can see, it's no longer active. If you go back, it will disappear from your settings list. And that would be all. This is it. This is how you can activate, use and deactivate developer options in your Samsung. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.